Hello and welcome. We are inside of the campaign creation screen for Email Octopus. And what you'll notice here is that the sending from domain is one that is a domain that we've already set up in Amazon SES, as well as an email address. And here's why this is important. If you'll look at this email, you'll notice that the email address is the one that we have set up inside of Amazon SES, and it's the one that has been verified with the domain. You'll notice it's also in the primary tab inside of Google Gmail. Now the same email was sent, except for this time a different email was used, and it was one that was not set up and verified in Amazon SES. And what you'll notice is that this email appears in the promotions tab. It also appears as a compound email address. So what you put inside of the field is very important, and you'll want to make sure that you've used something that you've already verified inside of Amazon SES. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.